Hi guys, in today's video we are going to paint this cute painting in simple 4 steps. So let's get started. Now let's see the requirements of this painting. You can check all the art materials I used in this painting in the description. In the first step we are going to paint the background, and in this painting is something so special because one of my followers in Instagram asked me to paint this, and they want me to paint a painting of a couple, two couple walking in a cherry blossom tree, and I decided to paint this beautiful painting in a simple way so that a beginner can understand and paint this painting. The background of the painting is sky, so I decided to give more blue in this painting, and I am going to gradually add some white color to the blue to have a light shade of blue, and in the middle of the canvas we are going to apply more white to the color blue to have a more light shade of blue, and I am going to apply the color here. So we are going to add more and more white to have a very light shade of blue, and when we are in this part of this painting we are going to add some colors. I mixed more white to the blue, so we have this light shade of blue, and I'm blending these two colors, so we have to blend so that we have a very beautiful shade. So here I am applying the color white because we are going to apply the color yellow pink to have a beautiful gradation of color, so I use the color white here. Now I am applying the color yellow pink again, so you can see now we have a very smooth gradation of colors. Sometimes when we blend two colors, particularly one bright color and one light color, we end up mixing two colors but we couldn't get the result we desired. So in this case we can add some white color in between these two colors, and then we can blend the colors to have a beautiful blending. Now in the second step we are going to paint a tree here. So here I use the green color. So now I am take the color sap green in my fan brush and I am going to tab like this. So this is the method I use in this painting. You can also use your regular flat brush and just apply the color. To create a grass effect I am just doing this. You can also use your flat brush, no worries, that also give the same result. And after applying the sap green color I am going to add this medium green color, and I am going to blend the colors together. So in the top I am going to use more green, especially more light green. And here I am using my fan brush, and this is quite useful to paint grass in this painting. And now I am going to apply the color monastral green. Here I am painting the trunk of the tree using the color burnt sienna. So here I am using my flat brush and I am going to paint the trunk here. You can also use your round brush and paint the trunk. Now let's more detail in this painting by adding yellow ochre color here. So here you can see I am just painting little detail in this tree. I'm so sorry guys, I forgot to record this process, but the painting I mentioned above, you can see the same painting, the tree painting in that painting. So please watch that painting video so you can get the idea of how to paint the tree. And now let's move to paint the couple. And here I'm going to first paint the young couple, especially the girl. So here you can see I'm going to paint the wedding gown, and I'm using the color white And you can see the painting is really so small, so you have to be careful while applying the colors. And here you can see I already traced the image of the two couple in my painting, and you can also have this image in my description. I have given the link of these two drawings in my description. You can save those image and you can use the image while painting your painting. Now let's paint some dark value in this hair. For the shadow in this hair I am going to use the color black, and I am only painting some lines here. The lines indicates the flow of the hair. Now let's paint the boy. So here I start with the hair, and here I am using the color black. Now let's paint the old couple. So I start with the hair. So here I decide to give them grey hair. So I use the color grey. Now tell me guys, in these two couple, which couple do you like the most? And for me, I like this old couple. I don't know why, but I like this couple. And let me know in the comment section which couple do you like the most. And now we come to the ending of our painting, and you can see I'm adding the details in the dress. So as you can see, these are very small paintings, so we have to be careful while giving the details. If you are new to my channel, I am Rexana and I love to paint with acrylics. Here I am sharing my painting knowledge. If you find my tutorial is really easy and helpful, then please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also follow me in my Instagram to know all the regular updates about my painting. Here is the final piece of our painting. I really love this painting, and let me know in the comment section how much you like this painting, and I will meet you guys with another beautiful painting. Until then, have fun with colors, and thanks for watching and supporting my art page.